how to make Lady Flo's famous pumpkin scone. So here we go. If you pause this video, I'll wait for you while you get your pen and paper. You're going to need a tablespoon of butter, half a cup of sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1 cup of mashed cold pumpkin. I used Queensland Blue, beautiful, and 2 cups of self-raising flour. First up, you're going to need an electric mixer, makes it much easier. You want to turn your oven on to about 225 and move the shelf up to the top rack. First up, we're adding the sugar, the butter, and the salt. I'm going to beat that until it's nice and lovely. Let's get this cracking along. It's looking pretty light and fluffy, wouldn't you say? Now it's time to add egg and the pumpkin. Let's crack that bad boy in there. Oh, made a mess. Yeehaw. And tip it on in. There we go again. Mix that up good. Oh, just mix it. Mix it real good. You take a look at that. She's all mixed up nicely. It's time to add the flour. This is a step you gotta be careful with. Once you add the flour in, you don't want to muck around too much with it after that. See how we go. Okay, so for this step, you need 2 cups self-raising flour. You can use plain flour and then baking soda if you want, but you can just use self-raising, it's much easier. I sift it in because we're not going to be mixing it much here. That's the trick to making them a lot and fluffy. Okay, so here, we're just getting your hand in there. Just mix it around ever so carefully. You don't want to over mix it. This is where you might have to adjust with how much flour you have depending on how runny your pumpkin was. Just play it by ear. If it doesn't start thickening up by the time you got most of the flour disappeared, then you're going to have to add a wee bit more. You can see here this is still a bit runny. We're going to add some more flour. Probably another quarter cup to half a cup. Let's see how it goes. Make sure we don't add that much flour that it doesn't mix. We're right on the good edge here. So this is pretty close to being done. A little bit more of a mix here just so that it doesn't crumble right apart. But this is what you want it to look like. Tray and greaseproof paper ready. And this should be pretty good. Once it's ready, we've got our baking tray ready with some baking paper. We're just going to rip out little chunks about yay big and plop them on there. This mix, I forgot to say at the start, makes about 8 to 9, decent size. You want to leave a little gap between them so that when they grow, I like to space them all out just about like so. Stand them up. And we'll put them in the oven, see how they go. You can dust them with egg or butter if you like. I don't tend to. Let's take a look. Oh, that's pretty good. They're looking fantastic. It's nice and golden. Brown bumps. I usually get them off of here so that they don't continue cooking underneath. Just, yeah, they're ready to go. Now let's open them up, take a look. Oh, look at that. That's a bloody good scone, mate. Dab on some butter. Bob's your uncle. This will be tasty. I don't even do cream and jam with these.